In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive for your PC using the Rufus software. So to get started, you need a USB with minimum 8 GB storage space, and you also need to get the Rufus software downloaded to your PC. So let's get started. I'm first of all going to put a USB with minimum 8 GB into my PC. Then I'll go ahead and download the Rufus software into my PC. Now, the bootable USB drive can be used to perform activities like loading a Windows into your PC, and you can also use it for other activities like unlocking your PC if you've forgotten your PC password. So let's get started. Go to your browser and visit this site rufus.ie. I'm going to run the site on the screen now. So once you are on the site, scroll down to download, and here you're going to download the latest release, and you're going to go with the standard. So select the one that is suitable to your system specification. So I'm going to select the 64X for Windows. So once you click on download, it will be downloaded to your system. Now here's the Rufus application. Now, unlike other applications that you need to run the installation wizard, this one you are just going to run it once. So you click on it. Do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? You select yes. You may not see that particular point because of the screen record I'm using. So once you select yes, you are going to see this. So this is the Rufus window. It's not going to install the application directly into your system like others. So under drive property, first thing you're going to do is to select the device, the USB drive. So I only have one USB drive, which is this right here, 64 GB. In case you have more than one USB drive, you are going to select the particular USB you want to use to create the bootable pen drive. So after that, you're going to select the boot selection. Here you're going to leave it at disk or ISO image, because that's what we want to do. So here you are going to select the file, the destination of the ISO file. So here's my ISO file. Click on open. So leave everything at default, and you come over here and click on start. So it may show you some warning depending on the ISO file you have or where you got your ISO file. So go ahead and click on OK. The next warning it will show you will be that all the data on your USB drive will be wiped out away, because this is normal. Whenever you want to create a bootable USB drive, all your data will be wiped off. So you click on OK to start creating the bootable USB drive. So it's first of all going to format your drive before it starts copying the ISO file to write on your USB drive. So depending on the size of the ISO file, it may take a while, like 2, 3, 5 minutes or more. So stick around till when the copying of the ISO file and the writing of the USB drive is complete. So when the writing of the CD is completed, or the USB, sorry to say, come over here to your PC. Here's the USB. You open it, and here are the files. Here are the files of the ISO files that we just converted to a bootable USB. So you can go ahead and close it, remove your USB, and use it on the PC you want to use to perform the action you want to perform. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.